Hey guys, Racker652 here, and I'm going to show you all my Nerf guns I so far have, and we're going to test fire all of them. So far, those are all my guns. I'll tell you as soon as I get all of them. Now, I'm going to shoot all these guns to that door. The first one that I'm going to shoot is my Night Finder. You have to pull this trigger back, and it's got a laser. So pull back, and you shoot at the door. If you can see that, watch closer. I'll show you on this too. As you all know, that this one, what's familiar to some of you, is the Dart Tag Red. So you're gonna cock back, watch out the door. Watch carefully, if you couldn't see that. I'm gonna shoot my other Nerf Dart Tag. This is the blue one. Just shoot the same distance. See if you can see this one. That one I saw that time. That one I saw. I think I shot like 30 times. I just lost that dart. That's alright. I lose darts, but I have the M class. Alright. Let's continue. I'm going to show you. Now this one, guys, is a very special one. This is meant for the Wii. What you do is, if you want to play, this is the Nerf Elite game, and if with the red thing, and if you want to play for the Wii, you push these two buttons, you push this down, and you take it out. So that's the gun part that you just took out. Now I'm going to put it back in. Close it. This actually really shoots. It's cool. It's the Nerf Elite game for the Wii. And it actually really does shoot. It's a real gun. Cock back. I'm going to shoot all 6 rounds of my Maverick. That's it. That's it. But I have 2 more. This gun, you have to attach the pistol, or the trigger, sorry. This is the Nerf Long Shot Blaster. This is the second blaster that you attach. It's the attachable. Now we're going to shoot this one. So you cock back from under. This is the Long Shot blaster, the second one. Cock back. That's an awesome shit. And now, mother load, the Long Shot, but I'm going to do a little something different. I'm going to literally use the entire Long Shot. So now, guys, it is the sniper. It does have a weight on it. It's cool. So first, you're going to cock it. And shoot all 6 darts. Watch it. Back. And actually, guys, one thing that I do find out is damn dart gets like fucking damn. And it looks almost like I'm out of darts and yeah, but I'm really not. Like, but it did shoot, so I want to show you all. Yes, I just want to show all of you guys. If you're fans of me, so far on my Nerf guns, and showing you stuff. So this is Rocker 622. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.